we wrap up the month of April, things have got a little crazy. And yes, just as Katie said there, yesterday, the rainiest day of the month. And again, this is for Central Park. We did pretty good on the precipitation monitor. We got in close to 2.5 inches. Wanted to take you through the rest of the recap for our month here. So yesterday, the rainiest. We seen the coolest at the start of the month at 37 degrees. And believe it or not, we saw some summer-like warmth this month, 91 degrees at April 14th. So right in the middle. And no snow for the month of April. And you know what? I'm not complaining. Temperature-wise, we did decently today as well. We came in just as we called it, forecasted upper 50s, low 60s. That's what we got today. Central Park coming in at 60. LaGuardia came in at 62. So the mildest on our map there. Right now, we are seeing those temperatures take a little bit of a plummet for areas north of us. So into the low 50s. We'll have most of the areas sitting in the mid to upper 50s. We also have a few 60s on the map as well. We are expecting things to clear out getting through the rest of this evening, right when we get to the end of it. Our lows are going to be in the 40s as well as the 50s. Tomorrow comes with some much needed drying out and sunshine. That sunshine will be in play for the first half of our day, so it does allow our temperatures across our boroughs to make it into the upper 50s, low 60s. That'll be the story across New Jersey as well. Now, we are expecting that we will get some breezes and some pretty hefty gusts getting through the earlier parts of our day. So slightly cooler across the Hudson Valley, Liberty there at 51, Monroe at 56, and Cold Springs coming in at 59. Sunshine will also hit the island there, temperatures in the 50s as well as the 60s. Now, I know baseball-wise, we got canceled with 2 games this weekend. So, yes, the New York Mets taking on a double headline tomorrow against the Braves. We have Game 1 starting right after the 1 o'clock hour, Game 2 right after that 4 o'clock hour. Now, this is what's going to happen. While we are getting that sunshine earlier in the day and temperatures in the 50s as well as the 60s, we are expecting, in addition to that partly sunny sky, that we will have a chance for some showers sticking around. But I can tell you, nothing like what we've seen this weekend. Our pollen count is going right back up as all of this moisture exits our region. This weekend, we did see low medium levels. We're bumping right back up to that medium high, and it's going to be for oak, birch, as well as that good old maple. Air quality looking good tomorrow. We will say goodbye to that low pressure system. This is what's been bringing all of our wet weather for today, but we do have another low pressure system sitting out to the west of us. This one is going to linger off to the north of us, which will allow for us to see some spotty showers throughout the next several days. It's not looking like until we get to Friday that things do start to clear out.